Becoming comfortable moving and aiming Maya's cameras is an important hurdle for a 3D modeler. Let's start by clicking on the cube creation icon in the polygon shelf to create an object in our scene. Make sure that the perspective view is maximized to full size by hovering the mouse over the perspective view and hitting the spacebar if necessary. The 3 buttons on your mouse will allow you to zoom, pan, and tumble your 3D cameras. I'm working on a PC for this demonstration, but if you are using a Mac, you'll want to make sure that you pick up a 3-button mouse or a 2-button mouse with a clickable scroll wheel so that you can use Maya efficiently. We can zoom in on the object by holding down the Alt key on the keyboard, then holding down the right mouse button and dragging it from left to right. On the Mac, you'll always be using the Option key in place of the PC's Alt key. Throughout this course, I've included a list of hotkeys within the teacher's notes for each video. Holding down the Alt key and middle mouse dragging pans the camera from side to side or up and down. And holding down the Alt key while left mouse dragging tumbles the camera around the focal point. Camera navigation works the same with the orthographic cameras, except the Alt and left mouse combination has no effect, since orthographic cameras don't convey perspective. If you accidentally shift the camera too far from your subject, you may have a hard time reorienting the camera's focal point. Maya offers a few different tools to address this issue. The first option is to return the camera to its default position by choosing View Default View from the camera window, or pressing Alt and the Home key on your keyboard. If you're working on a scene with multiple objects, you'll probably need to set your camera's focus to very specific locations so that you can easily tumble around your model and inspect it from all sides. I'll go to File, Open Scene to bring up an existing scene file which includes multiple objects. If I left-click on one of the objects, then click F on the keyboard, I can easily frame the selected object. The camera's focal point is also centered to this framed object, so I can easily tumble around it. You can also set the camera to view all the objects in scene by clicking on the A hotkey. If you spend just a few minutes practicing these camera tools and hotkeys, camera navigation in Maya will quickly become second nature to you.